Hey AutoCAD students, in my tutorial number 72, I showed you how to make a custom toolbar. Well, in this tutorial, not only are you going to have your own custom toolbar, but you're going to have a custom macro attached to it. So let me show you an example of a macro that I've already created. Okay, so here we have a toolbar that I created that has the regular construction line command. Okay, so notice if I hit the regular command and I want a horizontal construction line, I have to type H, enter, and then I'm able to get a horizontal construction line. Okay, but with my macro, I'm going to delete that. Notice this macro here will automatically put the horizontal option into the command. Alright, so all I'm going to do is pick this macro that I've created and instantly I have a horizontal construction line. Okay, so in this tutorial I'll show you how to make one that does a vertical construction line automatically. Alright, so let's get started, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the CUI. Okay, and I'm going to take a look at my toolbars. Okay, so I'm going to come down here, and here's my toolbar with the two construction line commands that I just showed you. Alright, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to come down here to this icon with the star on it to create a new command. Okay, and what that does is it pulls up these two dialog boxes over here, and yours may be stretched up high like that. Just kind of pull it down and bring it into the middle. Okay, so over here on the right under properties, this is where we're going to actually create the macro. So the first thing we do is we have to give the macro a name. So I'm going to call it construction line VER for vertical. Okay, and then down here where we have the command display name, I'm going to call it xline_v for construction line vertical. Now this is the good part. This is the macro. So notice we have the ~C symbol, which is escape escape, to make sure that the command line is clear. Most macros start with that. Then the command line command, which is xline, a semicolon for an enter, V for vertical, semicolon for enter. And there's our macro. Okay, so now we just need to pick a icon for the macro. Okay, and here is the icon right here. All right, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually edit this construction line image. So you click on edit and you come into this button editor, and you can put a grid on to help you with it. So I'm going to actually edit this original image, and I'm just going to use the red pencil, and I'm going to draw a vertical line because this is going to be for construction line vertical. Okay, and when I'm done with that, I'm going to click save, and I'm going to give it a new name, xline V. Now this just saves the image as a .bmp file in with all the other images. Okay, so let's close that. All right, so there's our image, there's our macro. Let's pick apply. Okay, and the last step is to come over here to the command list and add it to our toolbar. So if I actually type in the name of it, which starts with construction, here it is, construction line vertical. This is the one we just created. I'm just going to drag this up and add it to our toolbar. Okay, so there's my toolbar. Construction line horizontal, and vertical. Let's pick apply. Let's pick OK. And now, where is my toolbar? Here it is. It's floating right here. Let's test it out. Okay, so construction line vertical. And there you go. We automatically have a vertical construction line. All right, I hope that helps with creating macros. And until the next tutorial, I hope you get a chance to give that a try.